Hello everyone, my name is Bhuvan Agarwal and I hope you all are safe and really enjoying this series on predicting the output of the code snippets given in C language. So today we are going to start our next question in this series. So let's get started. So our next question in this series is this. I would suggest everyone to kindly pause this video and just try to solve it. Then I will tell you the solution to it. Okay. I hope you all must have tried and got some answers. So let me tell you how to solve this question. So as you can see here, we are having a variable n which is having a value 4. So and this variable n is passed inside the switch. So as we know from the working of switch case, that is, if the value which is passed in the switch parameter, it will be matched with the case labels. So if any match is found, then we will execute that particular case. Okay, and if none of the cases are matched, then the default case will be executed, right? But as you can see here, we are having a value of 4 and we don't have any case with the label of 4. So the default case must be executed, but as we can see here, there is no default, right? There is no default block present inside this switch case. So I know what many of you must have thought, that is default block is not available in this switch case. So the answer will be compilation error, because default block must be present so that the numbers which are not matched with the case label, those cases will be executed under the default case, right? So I must tell you that you are absolutely wrong in this case. Let me give you a golden statement here so you will better understand this question. So the golden statement here is default block is completely optional. Yes. There is no mandatory reason or thing that you need to keep default block inside the switch case. No, it's not mandatory, it's optional. So in this case, when we pass 4 inside the switch and none of the cases are matched and default block is also not present, which is optional, then there will be no compilation error and the program will be executed successfully, but there won't be any output on the output console, right? There will be an empty black screen. Okay. So you can see here, when any of the case label is not matched for the given input, then default block is being executed. But if there is no default block present, then it will return an empty output screen. So no error is raised. So I hope you all got the concept behind this. Just remember, default block is completely optional. These kinds of questions usually come in interview to confuse students. Okay, so I know from now you won't be confused in this aspect. Just remember the golden statement here: default block is completely optional. Then you can easily solve these questions. So our correct answer is option number D. Okay, I hope you got the concept. If even if you face any issue, then you can directly comment down, then I will help you out. Okay, that's it. Thank you.